We stand at a crossroads. Our planet, our only home, faces unprecedented challenges. Climate change, social unrest, and resource depletion threaten our very existence. Yet amidst these trials, a glimmer of hope emerges, a vision of unity. Imagine a future where humanity acts as one, transcending borders and differences. This is not a utopian dream, but a necessity for our survival. We must recognize our interconnectedness and embrace a unified vision for the future. This vision calls for a paradigm shift, a fundamental change in how we perceive ourselves and our world. We are not isolated nations, but citizens of a single planet sharing one destiny. The time has come to shed the weight of division and embrace our shared humanity. Only through unity can we hope to overcome the existential threats we face and create a sustainable future for generations to come. We must recognize that our actions have global repercussions. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the resources we consume are all interconnected. What affects one part of the world inevitably affects us all. Climate change, for example, does not discriminate based on borders. It is a global crisis that demands a global solution. The challenges we face are immense, but so too is our capacity for innovation, compassion, and cooperation. By embracing a unified vision, we can harness our collective wisdom and resources to create a brighter future. The time for division is over. The time for unity is now. Humanity's survival hinges on our ability to cooperate on a global scale. We must move beyond competition and embrace collaboration, recognizing that our shared interests far outweigh our perceived differences. Global cooperation is not an option, but an imperative. The interconnected nature of our world demands collective action. From tackling climate change to preventing pandemics, the challenges we face require a coordinated global response. No single nation, however powerful, can solve these problems alone. We need a united front, a global alliance dedicated to addressing the pressing issues of our time. The benefits of global cooperation extend far beyond addressing immediate threats. By working together, we can unlock unprecedented opportunities for progress. Imagine the scientific breakthroughs, technological advancements, and cultural exchanges that could be achieved through a united global effort. The possibilities are limitless. However, achieving this level of global cooperation requires a fundamental shift in our thinking. We must move beyond narrow self-interest and embrace a spirit of global citizenship. This means recognizing the inherent dignity and worth of every human being, regardless of their nationality, ethnicity, or creed. The European Union stands as a testament to the power of unity. Born from the ashes of war, the EU transformed a continent rife with division into a beacon of peace and cooperation. It serves as a model for what can be achieved when nations choose collaboration over conflict. The EU's success lies in its ability to transcend national interests for the greater good. Member states have surrendered some sovereignty to create a unified entity capable of addressing shared challenges. This spirit of cooperation has brought peace, prosperity, and stability to a continent once ravaged by war. The EU demonstrates that economic integration can be a powerful force for unity. By creating a single market and currency, the EU has fostered economic interdependence among its members, making conflict less likely and cooperation more appealing. This model of economic integration can serve as an inspiration for other regions striving for unity. While not without its challenges, the EU's successes far outweigh its shortcomings. It stands as a shining example of what can be achieved when nations choose unity over division. The world can learn from the EU's experience and strive to replicate its success on a global scale. The EU is not just a European project, it is a beacon of hope for a world yearning for peace and cooperation. To ensure a sustainable future, we must embrace universal values that transcend borders and cultures. These values form the bedrock of a just and equitable world, fostering cooperation, compassion, and respect for all. Sustainability. We must prioritize the health of our planet, ensuring that our actions meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This requires a fundamental shift towards sustainable practices in all aspects of our lives. Peace. A world without war is not a utopia, but a necessity. We must actively pursue peaceful resolution to conflicts, fostering dialogue and understanding to bridge divides and create a more harmonious world. Justice. Every individual deserves to live in a just and equitable society, free from discrimination and oppression. We must uphold the principles of fairness, equality, and human rights for all. Education is the cornerstone of progress. We must ensure that every individual has access to quality education, empowering them to reach their full potential and contribute to a better future. Cooperation. Global challenges require global solutions. We must embrace cooperation over competition, working together to address shared challenges and create a better future for all. Compassion. In an interconnected world, our well-being is inextricably linked to the well-being of others. We must cultivate compassion and empathy, recognizing the shared humanity that binds us together. Respect. Every culture, belief system, and way of life deserves to be treated with respect. We must embrace diversity and celebrate our differences, fostering a culture of tolerance and understanding. Responsibility. We all have a responsibility to care for our planet and each other. We must act as responsible global citizens, making conscious choices that contribute to a more sustainable and equitable world. Integrity, honesty, transparency, and accountability are essential for building trust and fostering cooperation. We must act with integrity in all our endeavors, upholding the highest ethical standards. Hope. In the face of daunting challenges, we must never lose hope. A belief in a better future is essential for inspiring action and driving progress. These 10 pillars represent a roadmap towards a more sustainable and equitable future. By embracing these values, we can create a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive.